back again with us, the Leci Leci Group. Okay, in this video, we will go on a trip to the Geology Museum. Yay! So, we are currently using the ticket we have purchased. Oh yes, everyone, the student packet ticket price is only 2,000 rupiah for one person. The ticket is cheap, right? Okay, how is our trip today? Watch the video until the end.
Hello everyone, now we are right in front of the Geology Museum, and son, we will start our museum tour today. Enjoy watching, guys. After checking tickets, we will then enter the first room. So, in this first room, there are aspects of geology in Indonesia that we can study. Starting from soils related to the formation of layers of the earth. There is also a globe. There are also rocks found in several regions in Indonesia, one of which is a rock from Bayah, Banten. Here there is also an explanation regarding the geological condition in Indonesia, including the layers of the land, the ocean and rock found in the ocean, volcanoes here. There are also rock found as a result of their eruptions, the formation of rime, a map of the area, as well as the earth and its geological processes. And you can see this.
Now we will go up to the second floor to go to the next room. Along the hallway, we can see the history of mining in Indonesia, starting from its pioneers, the history of the oldest oil wells in Indonesia, to the history of coal mining. In the second room, we will explore the benefits and disadvantages of geology. The first thing we will look at is an explanation of the structure of rock. Geological objects that have been well preserved from ancient times to the present, such as jewelry, flower vases, teapot, jug, vessels, pottery, jerrycan, and processed petroleum product. Then we can see the find from the eruption of Mount Merapi in Boyolali, Central Java. A little explanation from local resident who call the hot cold the fall in large volume as Wadus Gembel. Can be seen in the video of the findings in the form of a thermos, rice cooker, radio, television, helm, iron, jerrycan, even motorbikes that were melted because they were exposed to lava from Mount Merapi.
Okay, in this room there is also a monitor screen that provides information about the latest geological condition in Indonesia. We can see which areas have experienced earthquake using specific signs. Okay, now we are out of the second room. Here are Zenia and Silti. This is the current condition of the Geology Museum on the second floor. From morning until noon, visitors come non-stop. This is Ridel, who is tired. There are many students who also visit the Geology Museum from various universities. Okay, earlier in the second room, we studied the benefits and disasters of geology. In the next room, we will study geological resources.
Next, we will enter the third room discussing geological research. In this third room, there is an explanation of the various types of mineral in Indonesia, including how these minerals are formed. The explanation is contained in glass which contain the rocks being explained. Some minerals in the form of rocks also have explanation using Braille. In the video, you can see that we are looking for the meaning of the Braille letters, each of which apparently discuss the mineral shown. Here, there are also various explanations about rare rocks from several regions in Indonesia. The level of strength of these rocks, the beauty of each rocks, and even the durability of each rocks. These rocks are in the form of precious metal, gold, silver, bronze, and many more which are commonly used as raw materials for jewelry. There are also diamond, ruby, emerald, jade, sapphire, agates, and amethyst. And there are many other research such as water and land in Indonesia that we can learn about here.
Okay, we have explored the second and third rooms on the second floor. Now, we go to the last room in the Geology Museum. So, this room discusses the history of life. What does it explain? Describe the history of the growth and development of living creatures, from ancient to modern humans who inhabit this planet Earth. So, here is a little footage of the formation of planets in the solar system. Okay, here we will listen to an explanation of the history of life from time to time by Srideo.
So here, let's understand briefly about ancient life. This red color is the period when the layers of the earth were formed. First, we know about the Precambrian period. This period is the earliest part of Earth's history, namely around 4.6 billion years ago, when living creatures were still very rare. The first of the three classical eras of geology is the Paleozoic, where fish, arthropods, amphibians, reptiles, and synapsids all evolved in the Paleozoic era. Life began in the sea but eventually moved to land, and by the end of the Paleozoic, the Earth was dominated by various forms of organisms. The two Mesozoic eras. This era began with the Permian-Triassic extinction event, the largest mass extinction recorded in the history of the Earth, and ended with the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event, another mass extinction known for having killed non-avian dinosaurs as well as other plant and animal species. The Mesozoic was a significant time for tectonic change, climate, and evolutionary activity. The third, Cenozoic era. This era is the last of the three classical eras of geology. This era has lasted for 65.5 million years to the present. After the Cretaceous Tertiary mass extinction event at the end of the Cretaceous period, which marked the extinction of Earth's dinosaurs and the end of Mesozoic era.
Okay, let's continue into the history of dinosaurs. Here we can see various kinds of dinosaurs fossils. Next, we enter the room of the ancient human era. The story is that Geno cosplay as an ancient human. Okay, next we enter a room of tools used by ancient humans in their time, such as impact axes, oval axes, hand axes, and so on. Everything is neatly arranged with glass protection, so people cannot touch it carelessly. beautiful to look at. Okay, I cannot believe it turns out we have finished exploring this geology museum. Bye bye, geology museum. Wow, we have left the room. The weather outside turns out to be very sunny. This geology museum is really recommended for all groups, from children to the elderly. Especially among students, this geology museum can broaden their knowledge. Not only that, the geology museum is very friendly for people with disabilities. You who has free time invites his younger siblings, family, friends to visit the geology museum. Okay, that's all for us everyone. Thank you for watching. See you.
Cause it's been 3 years and 6 whole months since I saw your face that night.